And last but not least, the 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396 convertible.
Real one.
Matador Red over black, long-term ownership, date-correct, rebuilt 396 L35 V8. Numbers matching turbo hydramatic 400, 3-speed automatic. It's funny, the transmissions last better than the engines usually in these cars. But an honest SS396 convertible with a 12-bolt axle. So
Won't last.
Won't last. It will be gone sooner rather than later because it's one of those ones that people are looking for and they call about almost every day.
It's true.